Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. While we explore the technical guide for DirectX, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the DirectX Update 39, a legacy DirectX helper component. It manages unmanaged texture manipulation manifests for games utilizing the August 2008 DirectX data link. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. DirectX is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including DirectX, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. To fix persistent graphics initialization errors, you should download the DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the missing software bridges. This package contains the full set of legacy libraries required for multimedia applications, and it will automatically replace your DLL file if it is missing from your system directory. Why are we doing this? Well, the standard DirectX version included with Windows 10 and 11 is built for modern games and often lacks the backward compatibility needed for the specific file causing your error. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing DirectX DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for DirectX. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for DirectX and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.